Hi. Quite a lot of people liked my angry art video, but some people have told me that they cannot do the. So I'm going to tell you the tips to do it. I don't know if it's gonna be useful though because I was able to do it naturally, but I kind of came up with the training method. I think when you say English words with THR, like three, thrones, thrust, thrice, I kind of feel the little trill in my mouth. Do you feel it? Or maybe you should exaggerate R, like throne, three, thrust, thrice. I came up with a practice sentence. Okay? Here we go. I watched 3 episodes of Game of Thrones where they are thrusting a thing in a hole thrice. Feel the thrill. And when you master this, you can do this too. Yeah. It's like 3:30 a.m. in Japan. I should go to sleep. Bye.